Running some quick projects here in the garage with a motor, I've decided to do a quick video on this battery charger because this is something that I pick up all the time to use. It's interesting about it is that it has two connectors, right? So you could charge two batteries in the same time. So it has a plug and then you plug it into the wall and it turns on. So it takes a little bit to turn on. Almost like it's loading up some kind of like an operating system. There it is. So see, it just came on by itself. I didn't push anything. It just does that. And now it's on. And if you want to wake up a dead battery, that's an interesting thing. So this is completely dead. It's barely registering 4.5 volts, right? So that's all you get out of this battery. But if you want to wake it up, what you could do is you press and hold this button. This is the B. This is this connection under here. So right now it's blinking. That means that it wants to push power. It does this for about 5 minutes. And then you connect the battery. So it's going to force power into this thing to wake it up. So you could use it for these kind of batteries to wake them up if you want, or very useful for these kind of batteries. If these go too low, the BMS, there's a board over here inside the battery that brings them down and it doesn't register any voltage. So you have to force them to wake up. Some of these chargers don't want to do that because they don't feel a voltage, they don't want to start. But this one, you could force it to do this for about 5 minutes. It wakes up the battery if it's too low, and then it brings it back to normal. It's a very interesting device, and you could charge two batteries in the same time. It has two set of probes. So one is running over there, and this is completely individual. And then it has a fuse, and then you just hook up to the battery, and basically it charges two. And they're independent from each other. That's the nice part. So they're running independently. And right now, this one is trying to wake up one of the batteries at 3.3 watts. So it's not using very much power, but it's already registering this one as being full. So it's not pushing any power over here. So it's a very interesting thing to have in a garage. The company that makes it, it's First Power Pro. It can do 6 and 12 volts. That doesn't do 24. But it's a pretty cool device, and it has standard AGM and lithium. Okay, that one is already charging that battery. How I know is because it's already pushing 24 watts in it. So it already woke up that battery, and now it's pushing 24 watts to charge it. I hope this video helped you out. It is 100 volts to 240 volts. So it works on 220 also. It's an interesting tool to have, that's for sure. Thanks for watching.